Want to make money from your smartphone? Today, I'll show you how to trade and earn on Expert Option, one of the easiest and most popular mobile trading apps. Stay till the end for pro tips to maximize your profits. Expert Option is a trading platform where you can predict the price movement of stocks, cryptocurrencies, and commodities. It's easy to use, even for beginners. First, download the app from the Play Store or App Store. Create an account and start with a demo balance to practice. Don't risk real money until you're confident. Here's how trading works. You select an asset, choose a time frame, and predict if the price will go up or down. If your prediction is correct, you make a profit. Now, here are some golden rules for successful trading. Start with a demo account. Learn before investing real money. Follow market trends. Use news and analysis. Risk management is key. Never invest all your money in one trade. Use strategies. Try the martingale or support and resistance strategy. Once you make a profit, withdrawing is easy. Just link your bank account, PayPal, or crypto wallet and cash out your earnings. Expert Option can be a great way to earn, but always trade wisely. If you found this helpful, like this video and subscribe for more money-making tips.